Welcome to the future. It's not flying cars yet, but the advancements we are witnessing are nothing short of extraordinary. We are stepping into a world where AI makes us incredibly productive. Imagine a place where your daily tasks are streamlined and optimized by intelligent systems. This is the era of AI tools, a time when technology is seamlessly integrated into our lives. These tools are changing how we work and create, making processes faster and more efficient. Imagine designing a logo in seconds with precision and creativity, or writing complex code with just a few keystrokes thanks to AI assistants. That's the power of AI logo generators and code assistants revolutionizing our workflow. These tools are not just futuristic fantasies. They are practical, real-world solutions. They are here, they are now, and they are transforming industries across the globe. From seasoned entrepreneurs to coding novices, everyone can benefit. AI tools automate tasks, making them more manageable. This frees us to focus on what truly matters: innovation, creativity, and pushing boundaries. This isn't about replacing human ingenuity. It's about amplifying it, making our ideas come to life faster. AI takes care of the tedious stuff, the repetitive tasks that consume our time. This allows us to unleash our full creative potential, exploring new horizons. Join us as we explore the exciting world of AI logo generators and code assistants, tools that are reshaping our future. The future of productivity is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Are you ready to embrace it? The journey into the AI revolution starts now. Remember the old days? Spending hours brainstorming logo ideas, then more hours sketching, revising, and refining. Those days are over. AI logo generators are here to revolutionize design. These intelligent tools are simple yet powerful. You input your brand name, select your industry, and choose your preferred style. The AI takes over from there. It generates a range of unique professional logo options tailored to your needs, but it doesn't stop there. Most AI logo generators offer customization options. You can fine-tune your chosen logo, change the font, adjust the colors, or tweak the layout to your liking. The result? A stunning, high-quality logo in minutes. The best part, AI logo generators are for everyone. Whether you're a startup on a shoestring budget or a seasoned business looking for a fresh look, there's an AI logo generator out there for you. And with just a few clicks, you can download your logo in multiple formats. Use it on business cards, websites, merchandise, and more. Watch your brand come to life with a professional touch. Embrace the future of design and let AI bring your vision to reality. For developers, time is precious. Every second counts. In the fast-paced world of software development, efficiency is key. Code assistants are here to supercharge your coding process, making it faster and more efficient. These AI-powered tools are like having a coding expert by your side 24/7, ready to assist you at any moment. They analyze your code in real time, offering intelligent suggestions that can save you hours of work, and even autocomplete lines of code for you, reducing the chance of errors and speeding up the coding process. Imagine writing complex algorithms with ease without getting bogged down by syntax errors or logic issues, or debugging code in a fraction of the time it used to take thanks to real-time error detection and suggestions. That's the power of code assistants. They transform the way you work, they boost your efficiency and accuracy, allowing you to focus on more complex tasks. But they do more than just speed up coding. They enhance your overall development experience. Code assistants also help you write cleaner, more efficient code, making your projects more maintainable. They offer insights and best practices, guiding you towards better coding habits. This elevates your coding skills to the next level, making you a more proficient developer. The result? Faster development cycles, fewer errors, and more time to focus on what you do best, building amazing software. With code assistants, the future of development is here. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force. It's reshaping industries and redefining productivity. AI logo generators and code assistants are just the tip of the iceberg. These tools empower us to work smarter, not harder. They free us from tedious tasks. This allows us to focus on what truly matters: creativity, innovation, and problem solving. The future belongs to those who embrace AI. Don't get left behind. Explore the world of AI tools. Discover how they can revolutionize your workflow. The future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to join the revolution?